Boy, coffee just crashing a one car.
Jamaicans were left concerned over the weekend following reports that Grammy-winning reggae artist Koffee was involved in a car accident. Sources claim the artist did not appear to be injured during the collision that reportedly took place at a busy intersection in the corporate area. Reports are that the artist named Michaela Simpson was traveling in a white Benz SUV and was involved in a collision with a white Honda motor car. A video circulating on social media shows a person who appears to be the artist speaking to the driver of the Honda after the accident. In the video, Koffee seems a bit shocked at the incident and proceeds to reverse hastily away from the accident so as not to obstruct traffic. The front grille of Koffee's SUV seemed to have been damaged. Since the report of the incident began, circulation of a number of Jamaicans has taken to social media to offer their love and support to the artist.
Favorite singer?
Yeah. Boy, coffee just crashing a one car. Damn. The artist look like she well brewed.
Then I must don't reverse, don't
Oh
reverse.
shit.
Oh shit.
Welcome again, people. Remember to leave a comment below and share and like the video and subscribe for more great content, and remember to check out one of our suggested videos on the screen. Until next time, peace.